guys, welcome to Some Auto Part. Today's video we are coming to introduce our new GLS Maybach body kits. And this body kit is the new design which is available for the car after 2020 years. Exactly, that can be old to new for the 2020 years, and it also can be to upgrade from the low profile to high-end design for 2024 years. So this body kits we can find it's coming including the front grille, front bumper. The bumper we can find the new design coming with a different front grille design. It's very nice with a Ford logo postation here and more luxury than before. All the chrome parts make the car more luxury. On the other hand, we can also find this case including the wheel edges. The wheel edge helps the car looks more wider, and we can also find for this car on the back side, the rear diffuser is different. For the back side, the car is changing the rear diffuser. We can find that the rear diffuser coming with the chrome parts, which is similar like the 2020 years model. And this is the GLS450, so it's upgrade body kits for this normal car. And what's more, I want to introduce you guys what we can recommend to you if you're going to upgrade the body kits. On the other option, you can change the wheel edges. Please check the wheel edge is 22 inch, and I'd prefer to introduce you guys to upgrade to 23 inch. On the other hand, what's more important for the luxury end cars, especially for GLS, the people looking for the comfortable driving experience, and they want to comfortable, can be relaxed and take a break in the side of the car. So we come in the interior body kits which changes the car from 5 seats to 4 seats. That's the same items I introduced 2 years ago. You can check my YouTube channel. And what's more, we do also make the door seal which is chrome, and we can find the interior. The seats is with a full caching about the massage. We can check the video around. As my personally, I'd prefer to introduce you guys, you'd better to get the electronic side step for GLS because it's really useful and help a lot when we get on the car and get out of the car. So this is much wider of the original side step, fixed side step, and this coming with Persian chrome design and with logo precision here makes the car looks more luxury, and it's very smooth. Motor is silent. When we close the door, we can find it's deployable, so that will be help a lot. So that's the new body kit for GLS Maybach. I'd like to know if you have any suggestion or any idea or questions about the Mercedes-Benz body kits. Just feel free to contact Some Auto Parts. We are professional on the body tuning in this area for many years. So thank you very much for your watching today, and see you next video. Bye bye.